Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. So this company called Wake Up and Makeup reached out to me and they wanted me to try out their magnetic lashes. So I was very excited and I really wanted to try them. I've been wanting to try lashes, magnetic lashes, for a while, but I just probably put it off, and when this company reached out to me, I was thrilled to have them. So I'm going to try these Belle Chloe lashes from Makeup and Wake Up and see exactly how they're going to look. So it comes like this, wrapped in this beautiful black wrap, and it has the brand name Wake Up and Makeup. Packaging is really beautiful. It comes in this beautiful black box, and of course the brand name Wake Up and Makeup. There it is. It comes in this beautifully packed box. Good morning to you too. And so it talks about the magnetic lashes and how to apply them. Okay, we're going to do this together. So the lashes come in this beautiful box. So guys, do you see the packaging? It came in 3 boxes. I love that. This is finally the box that we're looking for. And they also send you these lash applicators, which are so cute. I think they're so cute. And they also send you like a little card that shows you exactly how to apply the lashes. So I love that about it. So I want to see how they look like. If the packaging came this good, I want to see exactly how they look like. Oh my, this is beautiful, guys. So when you open it, the lashes look like that. That is just beautiful. So the ones on top, of course, go on top, and the ones at the bottom go right at the bottom of the top lash. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And it comes with a nice mirror, which is really beautiful. That I like that. I love that about the mirror. So we're going to take this top off. It comes with a top too to protect the lashes. Wake Up and Makeup. I am loving this. So I'm going to apply some mascara, just a little bit. Some mascara. I know I'm going to be too much in your faces, but for you guys to be able to see, I have to be in your faces. So guys, before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys that the box actually labels where these lashes go. So you have the left one. This one belongs to the left and this one belongs to the right. And then right here at the bottom, it lets you know which lash goes where. So if we start at the right side, so this one here goes at the bottom right, if you guys can see that. And this one here goes in the middle on the right side, and this one goes right at the bottom left of your right eye. Same here. So I like that. Makes it much easier. So I think the lash applicator is metal so that you can actually attach the lashes onto it and then just clip them on. We're gonna try it. Just going to put it really close to my real lashes. And then I'm going to take the first strip, which is this one, and that's going to grip automatically. And then you're going to take the second strip which is this one. And that's going to be right there by the middle. And then you're going to take the third strip and that's going to grip automatically too. Look at how beautiful those lashes look, you guys. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to go on to the other side, which is the left side. And so we're going to take the first strip too, which is this one. And that's going to grip automatically as well. And then we're going to take the middle lash, which is that one. And that's going to grip automatically too. The last one. So this is how the lashes look like, guys. I love them. I never expected them to look this good. I have nothing but good things to say about these lashes from Wake Up and Makeup, and they were so generous enough to kind of give all my subscribers a 10% discount. If you use the code name GLAM10, I'm going to indicate that in the video the whole entire time so you guys actually buy these lashes. And I'm going to put the company link and the exact link to the lashes in the description box down below so that it's much easier for you guys to actually get these lashes. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. If you see my eyes going the other way, I am just looking at these lashes and I'm just so amazed. I'm a true believer in magnetic lashes now. So guys, I am also doing a giveaway. So this company has been so generous. Not only do they give me a 10% discount for all my subscribers, they want me to have a lash giveaway. So all you have to do to enter this lash giveaway from Belle Chloe Wake Up and Makeup is go to YouTube and search for Wake Up and Makeup. Subscribe to that channel. And the second thing that you have to do is leave me a general comment on this video and hashtag Wake Up and Makeup. That's all you have to do to enter this giveaway, and I will know from this comment that you have officially entered this lash giveaway. That is it for this video today, guys. I was so excited to do this video because I get to give away something. Who gives away two things in one video? Like, this company is just, I don't know, out of this world. A 10% discount and a giveaway in one video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you to Belle Chloe's Wake Up and Makeup for these beautiful magnetic lashes, guys. So until next time, it is goodbye and God bless.